Hey there, woodworking warriors. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate table saw to take your projects to the next level, you're in for a treat. Today, we've lined up 5 top-notch contenders that are sure to blow your mind with their cutting prowess. From the compact yet powerful Dewalt Table Saw for job sites to the heavy-duty SKIL worm drive table saw, these tools have got it all: precision, portability, and performance. And I also mentioned all product links in the description box. If you want to see more videos like this, please take a look at our playlists. Let's dive right into the top 5 lists. Number 1. Dewalt Table Saw 8 1/4 inch. When it comes to tackling woodworking projects on the go, the Dewalt Table Saw for job sites, the DWE7485, is a game changer. This compact yet powerful table saw is specially designed for professionals and enthusiasts who require a reliable cutting tool on their job sites. Equipped with an impressive 15-amp motor and an 8 1/4 inch blade, this saw delivers precise and clean cuts through various materials. Portability is where the DWE7485 truly shines. Its lightweight design, combined with a sturdy and easy-to-fold stand, makes transportation and storage a breeze. The collapsible stand also ensures stability during operation, even on uneven surfaces. Whether you're a contractor working at different sites or a hobbyist with limited space in your workshop, this table saw offers the perfect balance of performance and convenience. Safety is paramount, and Dewalt takes it seriously. It features a Site Pro modular guarding system that allows for tool-free adjustments, ensuring you can set up the machine quickly and securely. The dust collection port further enhances the safety aspect by keeping your workspace tidy and reducing airborne particles. Number 2. Dewalt 10-inch Table Saw. For serious woodworkers and contractors seeking a robust and versatile table saw, the Dewalt DWE7491RS is a top-notch choice. This 10-inch table saw is a workhorse, driven by a powerful 15-amp motor that effortlessly slices through various materials, delivering accurate and smooth cuts every time. What sets this Dewalt saw apart is its remarkable rip capacity of 32.5 inches, allowing you to handle large materials with ease. Whether you're ripping through plywood sheets or processing wide boards, this table saw will make your job much more efficient. And with a rolling collapsible stand included, transportation and setup become effortless, no matter where your project takes you. It combines power, precision, and portability in one comprehensive package. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a passionate deer, this table saw will undoubtedly elevate your woodworking experience, making it a worthy addition to your toolkit. Number 3. SKIL 10-inch Heavy-Duty Table Saw. For those who demand heavy-duty performance from their table saw, the SKIL SPT9911 is an absolute beast. This 10-inch worm drive table saw is engineered to handle tough jobs, making it a preferred choice among professional contractors and experienced woodworkers. At the heart of this powerhouse is the worm drive gear system, which generates immense torque for effortless cutting through hardwoods and other challenging materials. The 15-amp dual-field motor keeps the saw cool even during extended use, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Adjustability is a key highlight of this table saw. The rack and pinion fence system ensures quick and accurate fence adjustments, enhancing your cutting accuracy and productivity. Additionally, the 3.5-inch cut depth lets you handle thick materials, making it perfect for framing and deck building tasks. Number 4. Delta Table Saw. For woodworkers seeking a reliable and precise table saw, the Delta 36-6023 is a top contender. Built with a strong focus on accuracy and stability, this 10-inch table saw is designed to handle a wide range of projects with ease. The powerful 15-amp motor ensures smooth and consistent cutting performance, while the 10-inch blade tackles various materials effortlessly. With a generous 32.5-inch rip capacity, you can handle large materials and make wider cuts without any hassle. Delta has paid close attention to the details in the design of the 36-6023. The precision machine fence system allows for easy and accurate adjustments, providing you with the confidence to make perfect cuts every time. The bevel system is also user-friendly, enabling you to make precise angle cuts for a variety of applications. The robust construction of the table saw adds to its stability and durability, making it a reliable companion for both professional projects and home woodworking tasks. The on-tool storage provides a convenient space for keeping essential accessories close at hand, improving workflow efficiency. Number 5. VEVOR Table Saw. For woodworking projects and furniture making, the VEVOR Table Saw is a versatile and dependable tool that won't disappoint. This 10-inch table saw comes packed with features that cater to the needs of both beginners and experienced woodworkers. Driven by a potent 15-amp motor, the VEVOR Table Saw offers a cutting speed of up to 4,500 RPM, ensuring smooth and precise cuts through various materials. The 40T blade further enhances cutting performance, making it suitable for both crosscuts and rip cuts. The sliding miter gauge adds flexibility to your woodworking tasks, allowing you to make angled cuts and achieve precise miters. With a maximum rip capacity of 25 inches, you can handle larger materials comfortably, making it an excellent companion for furniture making projects. Portability is a key highlight of the VEVOR Table Saw. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with a foldable stand, makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for DIYers who need to work in limited spaces or move their projects to different locations. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily helpful videos. Check the description for more info and prices. Leave a comment for assistance. Enjoy life with our amazing products. Thanks for watching, have a great day.